Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As we all know, winters makes our skin dry, rough, dull. Keeping this in mind, I'm going to show you 3 DIYs that is essential for winters and one main ingredient that I'm going to use in all these 3 DIYs. It's going to be simple, so let's go into the video. Ingredient that we require for 3 DIY is soaked almonds, 4 soaked almonds and grated coconut. Make it into a smooth paste and avoid adding water. If required, you can add few drops and make it into as smooth paste as possible. And this we are using for all 3 DIY. Apply this hair mask all over your hair by first detangling your hair and then make it to the partition and apply from root to tip. Make sure to apply all over your hair evenly, and then you can give a massage for 2 to 3 minutes and then tie your hair. After 30 minutes you can wash your hair with mild shampoo and conditioner. Excellent moisturizer for your hair, restores the health of the hair. It makes it soft and manageable. It also helps in preventing split ends, restores dry, damaged hair, promotes hair growth, and it is very good source of conditioner. To prepare this soap, we need a glycerin soap, or you can use a pure soap cut into small cubes. And in a separate bowl, add around 4 tablespoons of coconut almond milk, half spoon of honey, and pinch of turmeric. Mix all these ingredients well without any lumps. Using double boiling method, we are going to melt the soap, and then once the soap gets melt, add this mixture and mix them well and pour it into the molds. Keep it into the refrigerator around 4 to 5 hours and the soap is ready. Coconut milk has high in vitamin C, helps in maintaining elasticity and flexible of the skin. It is rich in copper, prevents wrinkles, skin and age spots. Also prevents premature aging. This night cream, we need 2 tablespoons of coconut almond milk, 1 spoon of aloe vera gel and 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix all these ingredients well until it forms a thick cream. And we can store it into a clean container around 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator. I recommend to prepare it into a fresh batch. And the procedure to use is wash your face and just apply it. It easily gets absorbed and you can go to sleep. Hope you all like this video. This is one of the best way to pamper our skin during winters. Thank you for watching.